Welcome to the House of Simple Art channel. Christmas is coming up, which means it's time to draw a cute, smiling Christmas tree. Let's start with the outline of the tree. Don't forget to draw a star on top. Now the eyes and mouth. Our Christmas tree will not hang in the void, but will stand on its trunk. Let's complete the tree with garlands. Without electricity, the garlands will not shine all over the house. We are done with the black marker. Now it's time to paint our wonderful Christmas tree. We will need a green marker and a little patience and accuracy. The more simple drawings you will get, the higher the chance to draw a beautiful, complex drawing. Let's paint the bulbs on the garland with red color. And yellow is our Christmas star. Finish by coloring the trunk of our tree with a brown marker. Yay! Our Christmas tree is ready! I wish you good holidays! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!